Hello everyone, welcome to multi-level pointer presentation video. In the previous video we have discussed about pointer arithmetic. Now we are going to see multi-level pointer. So what is a multi-level pointer? It is a pointer that points to another pointer. That is what multi-level pointer. So pointer that points to another pointer, that is called a multi-level pointer. So instead of directly storing the address of a variable, multi-level pointer stores the address of another pointer. And depending on the number of indirections, we have single pointer, double pointer, triple pointer, 4-level pointer, 5-level pointer, and so on. Now we are going to see what is a single pointer and what is a double pointer. So single pointer, it stores the address of a variable. So what is the syntax is data type star pointer name. Data type may be any data type. It may be integer, float, or char. And pointer name, that is optional. You can give any name. This is what the syntax for a single pointer. On example program, this is also very simple program. First of all, we have to give the library file. So hash include stdio.h, and I'm making one main function. Inside main function, I'm creating one integer variable a. In that I'm storing 100 as the value. So int a equal to 100. Next I'm creating one pointer variable p. So that is integer type. So int star p. Next in this pointer I'm storing address of a. So p equal to address of a. In the next line I'm going to print what is my a value. So value of a equal to %d. %d is the format specifier that is used for printing an integer value. So value of a equal to %d \n comma a. So what I am going to print is a value. So value of a equal to what is the value? 100. That will be printed now. In the next printf line, I am going to print my a address. Okay. So address of a equal to, here we are accessing address. So the format specifier used here is %p. If I am using %p, I always give my pointer type as void. So void star address of a. So this address of a, this will give the returns the address a address. So address of a equal to, that address will be printed. In the next line I am printing pointer value. So pointer value, inside my pointer we are storing a address. So that also address. So to access that we have to give %p format specifier. So comma void star p. Inside p we are having a address. That address may be varied from one system to other system. In the third line we are printing pointer value, what is p. And next I am printing value pointed by p, that is equal to this is an integer type. So here inside p we are storing address of a. To access, to get that the value stored in that address, I have to give star p. So star represents dereference operator. First in the program starting, for creating pointer variable we have to give a star symbol, star operator to create a pointer variable. Again for printing the address and all, if I am using star operator, that represents dereference operator that is used to access the value inside the location which is pointed by pointer. So here p points, inside p we are having 1000. In that 1000 what is the value is stored, that will be displayed here. And next return 0. So output will be like this. So first of all I am printing value of a. What is my value of a? That is 100. That will be printed here. In the next line I am printing address of a. Address of a here is 0x, that is x value. So x 61ff0a. This is one example. This value may be varied in your system. Next I am printing pointer value, that is both pointer value and address of a both are same only, because inside in this pointer we are storing address of A only, so both will give the same output. So pointer value also 0x61 ff08. In the next line I am printing value pointed by P. So what is the value pointed by P? That is 1000. Inside the 1000 we are having P, in P we are having 1000, inside the 1000 I am having 100. So value pointed by P equal to 100. This is the output for the single pointer program. Next, double pointer. So what is a double pointer? A double pointer stores the address of another pointer. What is the syntax? Data type space double star pointer name. Here also data type may be any type. It may be integer or char or character or float. Pointer name, that is optional. So an example, this is also very simple program. Here first of all we are including library file and main function. Inside that I am creating one integer data type A, variable A. So A equal to 20. I am assigning 20 into A, and I am creating one single pointer. So int star P equal to address of A. In this I am storing A address. And next again I am creating double pointer. This pointer stores the address of previous pointer P. So int double star Q equal to address of P. So next I am printing what is the value of A. So here what is the value of A? 20. That will be displayed. Next I am printing what is star P. That means P points to A address. Inside that address what is the value? That is what I am printing now. So star P equal to what? 20 only. P equal to 1000. Inside 1000, let us take 1000 as the A address. In this program let us take 1000 as the A address. So inside that 1000 A address we are storing 20 value. So P, we are creating pointer P. So in that pointer P, what is the value going to be stored? 1000, because A address, that is A address. To access that value, to access the value inside that location, I have to give star P. Star represents dereference operator. So star P equal to %D. Here we are accessing, we are getting, we are taking the value, no? So integer value, so %D \n comma star P. Here star P returns the A value stored in A. So next line I am printing what is double star Q. So star Q means what? Star Q that returns 1000 as the value. So here A is stored in 1000 address. P, let us take P is stored in 2000 address. Q is stored in 3000 address. Okay. So in that Q I am storing P address now. So 2000 will be stored in Q. And next in P I am storing A address 1000. So double star Q gets the value of A, returns the value that is stored in A variable. So what is my address? Value of A equal to 20, star P equal to 20, double star Q equal to 20. So if I am printing P address, how to print that? Printf value of P, that is equal to %P/n void star P. If I am giving like that, the value inside the P will be displayed. Inside P I am having A address, so that will be displayed. And if I am printing Q, what is the value inside Q? That will be displayed. Q address means P address, that is stored in Q, no? So that will be displayed. Here we are printing only 3 value. First of all, the variable A value and star P value, double star Q value. All the values are same only. So this is what about double pointer. So double pointer is used for pointing, storing the address of another pointer. I hope you understood what is the single pointer, what is a double pointer. That means multi-level pointers. Thank you for watching.